Hello friends, welcome to Penhouse. In this video, we are going to see a short review on Penhouse M10SG, a silver body and golden trims twist ball pens. And here, this video is specifically taken to give you the clear insights on this pen because just with photos you cannot fully understand about this. So here, it is a complete silver metal body, a silver cap and silver body which has a golden trim set, means a golden clip and golden ring on the cap portion and a golden tip too. And this is a big pen, and it is a twisting type one. You have to twist for the refill to come out. And as it is a metal pen, you can engrave your names, logos in this portion anywhere in this metal thing. And let me show you the sample for that. This is a sample piece. Your names, logos can be engraved in this portion, and whatever the size you are asking for, we can do that. And he's asked for the little size, a tiny portion, and it is looking like the Parker's clip, a Harrow clip it is. And let me give the writing sample of this. A very good ink color it is, a very smooth writing. If one started to write with this pen, they will love to write with this. By changing the refill, you can use this for a long time. And let me show you the refill here. This is a twist type one, means you have to twist in the back side to remove this back cap portion, and this is a twisting mechanism. And if you faced any problem with the twisting in any twist pens, you can directly make a message or call to us. We can do pen services, and we are having this mechanism in different sizes, so we can do for any size pens. And here it is a refill. This is held in the mechanism with threading mechanism, and it is a slim refill. You can get this pair easily from anywhere with different colors and very low cost. And for this pair, you can check in our site, and again you can directly fix this back. And we are having these pens in very good large quantity, so if you want to give someone, you can better choose these pens like this, and you can do engraving their names or logos or some messages in this pens, and you can give them with some boxes like this. And here this is a single pen box. This is one of our customers' box that their logos has been engraved here with their names or what the content in they are given. And see how clear it came. The impression means, yeah. And this is double pen box. We can do engraving the exact picture also. How clear it came, and with any large content also. As it is a metal pen, we can engrave in any portion of this. And you can easily keep these pens, a very good a bulge pens also, and close this completely. And if you give someone like this pens and pen boxes, this will quite increase their personalities towards an education and a very good brilliant look and all. And with this same design, we are having in different colors, like a full silver or full black, or black with golden or black with silver, and some different and all for This pairs also you can check in our site, this pens also. And yeah, if you have any query about this pen, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can make a call to a mobile number. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.